So you've just finished your first visit here at Boise Prosthodontics with either myself or Dr. Gurney. And the logical question would be, well, what's next? Where do I go from here? Well, our new patient coordinator should have already scheduled you for a follow-up visit. And that visit is probably the most important time that we're going to spend together. That is a treatment consent appointment where we talk about the different treatment options. At that visit, just to kind of give you an idea of my goal there is to educate you on your mouth, on your specific needs, so that you become the expert on what is going on in your mouth. Obviously, I can give you my recommendations, but ultimately only you know what's going to be best for you. And the only way you can do that is if I educate you enough. So during that visit, we're going to talk about what brought you here, what your expectations were. And then we'll go over all the findings, all the things that I saw, whether they're good things or maybe they're not so good or just observations. Basically all the findings from all that data that we collected. And then we'll hone in on the specific maybe challenges or obstacles to your specific needs. What I've found is that every case has obstacles. And if you understand what those obstacles are, it helps you understand why you might go one direction or another, or why it's going to take longer than what you might think it would. And then we get into the part that really brought you here. What can dentistry do for me? What are going to be the solutions to meet my expectations? How am I going to get my teeth again? How am I going to have my smile again? You know, what is it going to take to get me out of pain? And we'll go over those options. Typically, those come down to 2 or 3 different options that are going to best meet your expectations. In the end, there is no pressure, right? I'm not trying to sell treatment. What I'm trying to do is educate you. What I find is if you give the patient the information, you as a patient are going to make the decision that's best for you. Whether that's with our office or you take that information and you go to somewhere else. My goal, again, is to educate you so you really know what can and can't be done in dentistry and in the field of prosthodontics.